Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily change your Instagram password on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open your Instagram account on Instagram application, and here you see my Instagram account is open in front of you. Now you need to click on the profile icon. And after that, you have to click on three parallel lines at the right top corner. Just click on it, and after that, click on the setting button. And now you need to find the security and click on the security. And after that, click on the password. And here you will have the three fields. In the first field, you have to provide your current password. And I'm just going to write my current password. And after that, you have to write the new password. And in the third field, you have to re-enter your new password. And after that, click on the tick icon at the right top corner, and it will save your password. And after that, you will see the save password will appear on your screen. And here you see password saved is appear on your screen, and now your password is saved successfully. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah, we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.